Hey there, future chicken keepers! Starting your own backyard flock is an amazing adventure. Fresh eggs, fun personalities, and a bit of farm life right in your backyard. It's the dream, right? But hold up! Before you grab any cute chicks, let's talk about something that could save you stress, time, and money. Picking the right breed, especially when you're just starting out, can make all the difference. Not all chicken breeds are beginner-friendly. Some are just a handful. So today I'm going to share a few breeds that you might want to avoid if you're just starting out. Chickens are the same way. First up, we have the silkies. Oh, silkies, with those fluffy feathers, they look like little cotton balls running around. They're irresistibly cute. But those fluffy feathers aren't just for show. They actually don't shed water like normal chicken feathers. They get wet, they stay wet, and that can lead to all sorts of problems, especially in colder climates. Plus, all those fluffy feathers around their heads, well, they can't see too well, which makes them more vulnerable to predators. Raising silkies requires extra care and attention, but their unique charm makes it all worthwhile. Next on our list are Polish chickens. These birds are absolutely stunning with their big, beautiful poof of feathers on their heads. But that big poof can block their vision, making them a bit skittish and prone to getting spooked. Polish chickens, because they can't see as well, might end up getting pecked on or bullied. Let's talk about leghorns. Leghorn chickens are known for their productivity. They are incredibly active and flighty. Ensure your fencing is secure to prevent them from escaping. Make sure your fencing is Fort Knox level secure, or you might find your leghorns exploring the neighbor's yard. Hamburg chickens are next, and these ladies are the definition of independent. They are fast, they love to roam, and they're not exactly the type to cuddle up on your lap. If you've got a smaller backyard or want chickens that enjoy being handled, Hamburgs might not be the best fit. They need a lot of space to be happy. Malay chickens are impressive birds. They're tall, strong, and definitely have a presence, but they can also be a bit bossy and aggressive, especially towards other chickens. If you're picturing a peaceful flock, a Malay chicken might throw a wrench in that plan. Old English game chickens have a history as fighting birds, and those instincts are still there. They're beautiful, but can be very dominant and territorial. If you have young children or want a more laid-back flock, Old English games might not be the best choice. They can be a bit unpredictable. Frizzles. Just the name makes me smile. These chickens are like the poodles of the chicken world with their curly, almost fuzzy feathers. But those unique feathers require extra care as they don't insulate well. If you live in a colder climate or if it rains a lot, frizzles need extra help staying warm and dry. Seabright chickens are those tiny bantam birds that are just the cutest things ever. But like a delicate piece of jewelry, Seabrights need extra TLC. They're more prone to health issues than hardier breeds. So if you're just starting out, you might want to hold off on the Seabrights. Sultan chickens are truly stunning birds with their fluffy crests and feathered legs. But if you're wanting a chicken that's going to provide you with a steady supply of fresh eggs, Sultans might not live up to your expectations. They're known for being sporadic layers. Beautiful to look at? Absolutely. Prolific egg layers? Not so much. Sumatra chickens are absolutely gorgeous with their long flowing tails and iridescent green feathers. But just like the Sultans, Sumatras are more ornamental than practical. They're not known for being the best egg layers. Sumatras are more about enjoying their beauty and grace than collecting a basket full of eggs. So, there you have it. Raising chickens is an incredible experience, but picking the right breeds from the start can make all the difference. Start with hardy, easygoing breeds while you're still learning the ropes. Consider your climate, the size of your yard, and your experience level. And most importantly, choose chickens that bring you joy. Thanks for watching and happy chicken keeping.